Yippee skippy. I don't have one. You know, I'm used to stocking things, but yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is get me some copper, and then yeah, that's what we're gonna do, is get a new switch. No sense of doing a whole lot of anything right this moment, and clean all that crap up when we come back and do the rest of the service. But that's what's going on. Simple as that. Rocket science. Didn't even have to get the book out. Now we could check it with the meter, see if it's having, is it a problem with the wire? So let's go ahead and check that just to make certain that it's not a problem with just the wiring. So let's go ahead and check resistance. Right there, we got to know that our meter works. We go down here to this. It's shorted together. So when it starts, it's going to open. So in theory, if you left this open, it would run. See, it started to change, but it stayed shorted together. Now here's the funny thing. Because that's shorted together, if I leave that off, it'll continue to run. There you go. So if I wanted to be a nice guy, I could leave that off. They're gonna have to wait till the part comes. That's what's gonna be, because if anything would go wrong, they would blame that all on you. So I'm not doing that. So we'll go ahead and put that back together, just like that. And we will order a new switch. And that'd be nice and simple to change. There we go. All right, so let's go get a paper towel. Like I said, I got sick last night. After throwing up, I feel a lot better. But I was freezing cold, all that other stuff. I usually have perfect attendance in school, and I never miss work. All right, let's go ahead and get some of that wiped back up. I don't like leaving things a mess. I wouldn't be happy if it was my generator and somebody left it all a mess like that. It just doesn't show respect for somebody's equipment, you know? There we go. I think I got it all. There we be. So, yep, got the excess, a little bit extra there. Oil levels were fine. I don't even really think it needs a tune-up. It's just a bad switch. But yeah, now if we put it manual, it's going to trigger out. Goes low oil pressure. Yep, so that's the problem. So it's back to the way it was. Chances are, you know, most oil switches and stuff, I mean, it's just an extra set of precaution if your oil level's fine, whatever. But when we got to play by the rules, we'll play by the rules. So that's gonna wrap this one up, guys. We'll come back and change that oil switch however long it takes to get it. I gotta get information off the generator so we can match that up. But yeah, that's what it is. And bam, take a picture so they know what they're looking for when they're going to buy it or order it, whatever. And good deal. There you go.